If your MCAT is coming up, you need to watch this video.
The velocity time graph for a particle is a straight line from v is equal to 2 meters per second at time 0 to v is equal to 10 meters per second at time is equal to 4 seconds. What is the displacement of the particle in those 4 seconds? So let's draw the graph, right? This is the graph here. This is the velocity, and this is the time. So it says that at time 0, which is right here, the velocity was 2 meters per second. 2, I'm just going to say 2, right? This is at time 0. It starts here. And then at a time of 4 seconds, which I'll say is here, right, the velocity is going to be at 10 meters per second, right? So it's gone up to 10 meters per second, right? And it's a straight line. So this is what it is. And so they want to know, okay, what is the displacement, okay, of the particle in those 2 seconds, okay? So how can we figure out the displacement here from the graph? Well, we have to remember that the displacement is actually the area under the curve of the velocity over time graph. So how can we find this area, right, this area here? Well, we can recognize that, first of all, we can divide it into 2 shapes we can figure out the area for. We have this shape, which is a rectangle. And so for this rectangle, the height is 2, and then the base is simply 4, right? And so the height, the area of that rectangle is simply 8, okay? So this is 8. And then we have this triangle. And so for the triangle, well, it's 10 minus 2, so the height of the triangle is going to be 8. And then the base is still 4. And of course, the area of this triangle is 1/2 base times height, which is 1/2, 4 times 8, and 4 times 8 is 32, divided by 2 is simply 16, right? And then 16 plus 8, right, which is the total area, is going to be 24 meters. So that's the displacement, which is C.